Billy and I started off the weekend by going shopping at our favorite store, River Words, where we get all of our produce and everything that we need, usually for our classes. Judith, the buyer, works with all of these local farms and lets me know what's coming in, what's good. Right now it is late harvest, which means it's like the best of summer that is popping and almost done, while all of the fall, like root vegetables and gourds and pumpkins, are starting to come out. So you have this plethora of produce that is just endless for creation, especially with the recipes that we're doing. While Judith and I were talking, she asked if I was interested in using either lemon or lime thyme. So she pulled out 2 cases of both lemon and lime, and we saw my friend Natalia in there, who was also shopping for ingredients, and we had a little fun smelling and taste test of the thyme. I took the lime thyme and I'm gonna use it in my beef patties, which you can get right up here. When we got done there, we went home and filmed some recipes. I was cooking, Billy was handling all of the cameras, lighting, audio. So I got the easy job like I usually do, which is good. And the next day we filmed the rest of our videos for our jerk spice, which is like our spice of the month. And then I went to dinner. I had an awesome dinner with my good friend Madison. We went to this pop-up called Amaret. I got home just in time to catch the end of the Eagles game. Goodbye, Packers! Go Birds! And right now we're just hanging out in Fishtown.
Is it raining right now? No.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified for more videos.